Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got a package from Tryit. I was not expecting this package to come in because I had gotten an email saying that shipment was delayed, which understandable because of the virus that's going around. So yeah, I've already done well, my brother helped me with it and he cut the tape open for me, and so let's get right into it. This is one of the items I have been waiting on for a while. I already have one purse from this brand, which is Tommy Hilfiger. And this is the bag right here. Put this over here. Which... Alrighty, hold up. Alrighty, let's see here. Put that Dollar Tree bag right there. Alrighty, so... Just to kind of remind you of the other bag, here it is. I still have it, no intentions of getting rid of it. Thinking about using it to go when I go to the Nickelback concert in June if it does not get canceled. Yeah, I'm still hoping to go to that concert. Alrighty, hold up, I forgot to do something real quick. Alrighty. So, hold up. Something I need to do real quick. Facebook Pages Manager. Continue. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so, I had to post on my page real quick that I had this package come in. So that my people that like my page and whatnot will know that I'm making the video and to look out for it. Alrighty, so let's see, I open it up right here. Again, I don't even know the price, which I'll show you once I get, there's the price tag is still attached to it. Because I don't even know how much this one bag costs. Boy, do I love TryitSampling.com. I'll put that link down there in the description so that y'all will know, so that y'all can be able to go and go to that website. There is a wait list. It didn't take me long to get accepted into the program. It took me maybe 2 or 3 months. There are people that have been on the waiting list for about 3 years now, and they haven't been selected yet. It's all about demographics and whatnot. Alright, so this is the crossbody bag, and the price, the MSRP price is $88. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm taking off this little piece right here, because I really don't see why I need to keep it on there, because how else am I supposed to use it, you know? Alright, got the price tag off too. I'm not even sure if I'm, I've gotten, various, things of, value from anywhere from, maybe $10, $15 all the way up to, $500 so far. There are people that have gotten refrigerators. I'm hoping that I'm one of those people that get chosen for a fridge. Because Lord knows we need one. Alright, so, zipper. Alright, no, this is not the zipper. The zipper's right here. Alright, I'll leave that one. Sounds like my mom's getting a phone call. My phone is... Where's my phone at? Oh, right here. Also gotta keep an eye on the time, because I've got something going in the oven. I'm gonna try to take this off. don't think this is supposed to be coming off. Alright. Oh, actually, it's so hard not to scratch my eye. Because I have fresh makeup on and I don't want to ruin it. That and the virus. So, even though I haven't been anywhere in a few days. Alright, I'll somehow get that off. Alright. So get the stuff off. 2 pieces. It says it's 2 pieces. Alright, so there's that. I think I got like that. Clean back in. I don't know, it came out of the bag as I was taking it out. Over here. I don't get why this was in here. Alrighty, so. Alrighty, so let's just try to get everything out that's what was in here, packing stuff and whatnot. Alrighty, so. Alrighty, just trying to make sure everything's good. Which it looks like everything is okay, so. What I'm thinking is that I'm going to be using this bag until. I will be using this bag. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this one. So yeah. I mean, that's the whole intent and why I've got it, is to use it. And it's just I wanted to get it too. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting stuff in that I want in the bag, which I'm going to be using, taking stuff from my Ace purse. I'll call it my Ace purse because I popped up when I looked up asexual, the asexual topic on Amazon, and that came up. Either that or I looked up purple purses, and I immediately thought of that. Alrighty, so let's see here. So yeah, I'm gonna have my medicine in here if I have a migraine or heartburn that hits while I'm out and about. I gotta make sure I have something to drink with me while I'm out and about too. Alrighty, so there's that. Let's see here. So there's that. Where did I put it? Oh, there you go. Never know when we're going to need these. So yeah, it's going to go in here too. Okay. Alrighty, let's see what else do we need. Charger. It's always helpful to have. Probably not a good idea to overstuff it. So I might leave that one out. Alright. Be right back again. Alright, so I'm back. My mom needed me and I ate lunch real quick. Alright, so refresher purse. Well, for me it's verbalizing what I just had mentioned. Alright, oh yeah, I got a new umbrella purple because I don't know why, just epilepsy, I guess. I don't know if I have epilepsy. My mom's been saying that. So yeah, alright, here I'm gonna need to put a smaller pin in my purse. I've had my purse in every purse I've had since Christmas. Alright, just put that there. Alright, so yeah, definitely I recommend this book, The Dream Where the Losers Go by Beth Gooby. I do recommend that I highly recommend that book. I checked it out at the library. Well, originally checked it out at the library, but, and I had decided, what's this receipt? Put that over there. Headphones, always gotta have my headphones. So it's like I'm going through my purse and whatnot. I gotta have my umbrella too, because you never, like a period, you never know when when it's gonna rain. One time I went to the store and it's just dumped while I was in there. And it was dumping when my mom and I was walking out the store. I was hurting real bad, and so... Oh. Alright, my mom just caught me red-handed. Alright. So, what were we talking about? Oh, yeah, about the, whole... I was caught in the downpour and whatnot. Alright, let's see here. Oh, excuse me. Cream soda sneaking up on me. So I'm gonna put this right here. This is for my migraines. If I don't have anything to drink, I have Pepto and Bismol to go. Kids, because chewables, it does help. Alrighty, so let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, I don't know why I feel the need to carry this with me. I just do. Let's see if I can't put this in here. Alrighty, so. Okay. So maybe not the case itself. Alrighty, so charger. Probably easier if I just take it out of the case. Charger itself. Alrighty. Alrighty, that one right there. That one right there. Alright, so that should definitely fit by now. Alrighty, it does. Gotta remember, I also gotta put my phone in here too, somewhere. Put this right here. Alright, so see if it fills up. I don't like it when they do this to me. Alright. It's a brand new purse. First time trying to zip it up, I guess. Alright. Alrighty. Maybe I should take some stuff out and try to close it. There we go. This is my first time attempting. It's been in that position, I guess, for so long now. Alrighty. Yeah, I can smell the apple pie that I got going. Alright. So now I guess I can put this. Whoa. Alrighty, back in. I think what I'm going to do is put my phone in one of the outer pockets. Alrighty, so I guess that's about all I can carry. Alrighty, maybe put this in here. Alrighty, so let's see here. I could do it like this, maybe. And just have my phone. Oh yeah, that's right. 10. I have pins floating around the house. So, I'm going to choose a couple of Sharpies to carry with me. Just because you never know who you're going to run into when you're out and about. Let's see. Green. Maybe pink. They have a choice on what color they want to sign. Alrighty, so put those three in there. There's my phone. So let's see here. I can easily try to easily access my phone. Okay. Maybe I have too much in here. Alrighty. Maybe definitely leave that. Leave that out. Alrighty, so. Alrighty, so. Maybe try to put. Maybe my. This could go in here. Maybe this could go in here. Gotta cut it short here in a minute because I got the apple pie going and it's almost done. Alrighty, so. Here, no. Alrighty, so I guess. Sort of like put it in here. Alrighty, so. Alright. I guess that's gonna have to be it. Alrighty, so. Yeah, maybe I could put. Alrighty, put my keys in here. Alright. Maybe not the best thing to do for that. Yeah, no, I don't think carrying an umbrella with me would be wise. But I have noticed that it is going to rain. It might rain today. So I might have this with me. Alright, so maybe I could just like do. Oh wait, we'll need this for like quick access. So I'll put this back here. Alrighty, so there's that. Maybe just like have this like this. Yeah, no, it's not gonna fit. Alrighty. Alrighty, so I guess that's gonna be about it for this video. I'm gonna go now and check up on the apple pie. Alrighty, so I gotta think of like what else. Can't think of anything else right now. I have another package coming today. And I did get a text message last week that I was going to be getting it. So that's going to be coming in the mail today. And I will like try to do an unboxing tomorrow if I can. I think it's Sample Source. I'm not sure. I will have to look back on my emails. Alright, so bye y'all. Definitely going to do that unboxing for that box. Bye y'all.